got ready. Hi guys, so I'm quickly going to show you what I got. It's nothing much, but I just got some few items from a convenience store. So I got this garlic loaf. It was at 50% off, so I got this. I also got a croissant. This is butter croissant. This is earplugs for swimming, and almond milk. It's in the flavor vanilla. So excited. Actually, I saw it in a drama. This is a banana flavored milk drink. I wanted to get it more, but I was not sure about the taste, so I thought like I'll just taste it first, and after that if I like it I'll get it. Yeah, so this is a banana flavored milk drink inspired from a Korean drama. I don't know from which drama I got to know about this, but yeah, it's from a Korean drama, so I got inspired from that and I got this. And the next thing I got, it's from Koja. Actually went there just to check some few items, and I actually wanted a V keychain, BTS keychain, but I didn't find it, so I got this Tata BT21 sticker, and I also got this tape. It's V obviously. And the last thing I got from Koja is this. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't know what you call it. It's a coin. What do you call it? I literally forgot what it is. It's coin. I still don't get it. Okay, so I got this. If you know, you know. Then yeah, this is where I keep the coins. And last but not the least, it's Krispy Kreme, and I got this mini Krispy Kreme donuts. It's supposed to look like this. Yeah, that's it. Hi. Happy Sunday, everyone. Hi guys, and a very good morning. It's Sunday today and I just woke up. It's currently 9 in the morning because I slept quite late yesterday. I had a lot of fun with my friends for the past 3 days. So this week was all about eating out, having fun, shopping and all of it. So today it's going to be different. It's Sunday, so I decided to stay home and do my work because, you know, the days are coming and I need to submit my report, which I haven't. So it's going to be Sunday vlog at home. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get this day started. So for breakfast, I'm going to be making some coffee, and with coffee, I'm going to have my favorite Monaco. Okay, so I'm done with breakfast and now I'm going to start with my college work. I'm currently checking my report and I'm sure there are a lot of errors, so I'll be going through it and check if anything I've missed or not. So I need to be very careful out here. Okay, I'm gonna take some rest. I think I stayed for around more than 2.5 hours. It's currently 2:30 and my battery was about to die, so I kept my laptop in charge. Now I think I'm going to rest for a while, edit some part of my video, and after that I'm going to have my lunch. So bright outside. I am actually bored to make lunch, so I think I'm gonna go out. There's a restaurant out there. I'm just going to go and pack some momos because I think I'm craving for that right now. So this is my lunch. I'm having dumplings and my favorite iced coffee. Cheers. While I eat, I'll be watching some YouTube. Tensho's Diary just uploaded a new video, so I'm gonna be watching that and have my dumplings. Okay, I chilled down. I'm gonna watch a vlog now. So funny. So I just finished watching Aichiden's new video. Do check it out because you know the new video just got out and I was there laughing and it was so much fun to watch her new vlog. I'll put her channel in the description box as well as here on the tag, so please check her out and do subscribe to her channel, and please don't forget to watch till the end to find out the funny part of the video. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.